That person over there is driving. That's currently like illegal right now. $500 ticket or something. Beach way over there. I hope we don't get flooded. Way over there though. There's a big park between it, so should be fine. Whew, actually it's pretty deep right there. Up to my ankle. This is Mercer Street. Plows have been out here like regularly. Ooh. Yup. This shit's crazy. I haven't experienced any of this shit before. Alright, I think that's enough. My cheapo camcorder. If I keep doing this, I'll probably break it. Let's go back. Whoa, shit. Look at that. Here comes a plow now. I think I can hear people out in this shit. This shit cray cray. Only crazy people like me, crazy people like me, be out in this shit, looking at shit. Have to be drunk or crazy, or both. Before I go in, maybe we can take a look at the. There's the plow coming down the street. Yup. Alright, that's enough shit for me. My hands are getting cold. This is the stairwell. Look at that. Freaking bird. So, yep. That's it. Blizzard of 2013.